Okay, this is just going to be a quick screencast about how to use the DD WRT firmware to block a specific website. What we're going to look at blocking today is myspace.com. So you can see here I can get to that website. If I come over here and I want to log into my router, and here we have the DD WRT control panel, and I want to click on the Access Restrictions tab. And at this point it'll probably pop up and ask you for your username and password. I've already logged in, so it didn't ask me again. What you'll notice here is we have a lot of different options, and we're just going to create a policy under policy number 1. You have a lot of different policies you could use to apply different settings at different times, but we're going to block MySpace all the time. So we're just going to use policy number 1 here. I want to change the status to enable. That way it'll actually do something. We'll set the policy name to something descriptive like block MySpace. And then we want to click edit list of clients. And what that does is that sets what computers this rule applies to. And that window pops up really big, so let me just squish that down so we can see it here. And we're going to want to block MySpace for our whole network. So if we'll scroll down, we can enter a range of IP addresses. And so what we want to do is we want to block all the IP addresses that our computers can possibly have, starting with 2 and going to 254. 1 is our router, and 255 is a special address called the broadcast address, so we don't want to block those. But any computer or anything else on our network will use an address in this range, so this will block them all. So we want to hit save, and scroll back down, and you want to hit apply settings. And then we can close that window. Okay, going down, make sure under days it's checked every day. Under time, you want to make sure 24 hours is selected. We can skip all this stuff. And right here we have our settings for website blocking by URL address. So you just want to type in www.myspace.com in there. Then scroll down and click save. And then scroll down again and click apply settings. Okay, so now if we go to our MySpace tab and I click refresh, we cannot get to MySpace. That's it.